In this video, we're going to be looking at the Cartesian plane, or the xy axis. Now, Cartesian plane looks like this. So you can see 4 sections, then numbers going along horizontally and vertically. Now the horizontal axis, that's known as your x-axis. The vertical one then is your y-axis. Now it's very important you identify which is which here. Notice the X. See the way you have 2 ends to it. Think of it like a pull-out chair that has 2 ends in it. So that will always be on the horizontal axis. The y-axis, your y then, that letter looks a lot more vertical in comparison to an X. So that will always be on your vertical axis. Now, there are 4 quadrants. So the first one here is quadrant 1. And in this one here, everything will be positive. Then you have quadrant 2 on the left, quadrant 3 down here, and quadrant 4 then here. Your origin then, this is the coordinate of 0, 0. So that's always in the middle here, and 0, 0. Okay, let's have a look now at plotting points in the quadrants. So if we have to plot point 2, 2, we go across the 2 on the x, up to 2 on the y, so it'll be here. Quadrant 2 then, if we have to plot minus 2, 2, we go across to minus 2, then up to 2, so that will be here. Third one then, so if you need to plot minus 2, go across to minus 2, then down to minus 2, so we'll have it as here. Finally then, quadrant 4, 2, minus 2, across to 2, and down to minus 2, so it'll be here. So as you probably saw from that, you always do your x before your y. Your x-axis, this decides if it goes left or right. Left for negative, right for positive. For your y then, if it's positive, you go up. If it's negative, we go down. Okay, so let's plot these points, A, B, C, now and D. Now before doing this, I'm just going to label my axis, so x and y. Now the first one, A is 7, 6. So across to 7 on the x, up to 6, so here. A. Next one, B is 9, 1. So across to 9, up to 1, and that then is B. Next one, 4, 0. So across to 4, I'm not going up or down then because my y is 0, so it's C. Then for D, 0, 7, so my x is 0, so I'm not going left or right, but I'm going up to 7 then. So that is going to be D. Okay, let's have a look at. Okay, first one here now, we have minus 4, 3 for A. So we go to the left, minus 4, then up to 3. So there we have A. Then B, minus 5, 0. So we go to the left, minus 5. We're not going up or down because it's 0, so that is B. Finally then for C, minus 3, 10. We go across to the left, minus 3, then up to 10, so up here, C. Okay, so 3 more. So here for A we have minus 8, minus 9. So we go to the left, minus 8, then down to minus 9, so we have here. Next one then, 0, minus 5. So I'm not going to the left or the right because my x part is 0, but I'm going down to minus 5, so here. Then for C then, minus 1, minus 1. So to the left, minus 1, then down minus 1, to C. Okay, 3 more. So we're looking at the fourth quadrant with these. So the first one, A is 6, minus 6. So we'll cross to the right 6, then down minus 6. So we are here. A. Next one, 4, minus 10. So cross to 4, and down to minus 10. So we're here for B. And that's it. Okay, from the last slide now, we have all of these points that we need to plot. So this should say plot following points. So I'll pause the video now, and you can try this yourself if you want to draw something similar like this in your copies. And press play then when you want to see the answers. Okay, let's see how you did. Okay, so let's have a look. So we have -8, -3 for A. For B then, we have 6, 6. C, we have 6, 0. For D, we have 5, -2. For E then, 7, -5, down here. F, 0, 4. G, -8, 6. For H then, we have 1, -3. And for I, -6, 0. And that's it. Okay, so any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.